Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I will show you how you can hide any file or folder via CMD so no one can open in future without you. So let's get started. First of all, open CMD and then open the file or folder you want to hide. For example, I want to hide this folder. So what will you do? You will just copy this path and then type here and then paste that path and then type the name of the file or folder you want to hide. In my case it is new one, so I will just type it and then press enter. So as you can see, it is disappeared from the local disk key. So in future, if you want to show that file or folder, what will you do? You will just type and then paste that path. If you don't remember, just type the disk name like this and then type folder name, then press enter. So as you can see, it is appearing in the local disk key. So this is how you can show or hide any file or folder, your personal files or folders, from this path. So thank you for watching this video.